Oh, Overwatch.
Are you guys gonna play Overwatch when it comes out?
So I didn't feel comfortable streaming it with all the shit that went on with Blizzard and Activision, so I just stopped playing it.
Oh, true.
And then it really hasn't changed, and so I said that like if they changed it, I would come back to play it. But I'm too. I like Valorant more just because it's more strategic. I love that picture of Yoru.
No, he's
Cute
so
there.
and daddy. Sorry.
He looks good
Bottom.
for Yoru.
Match found.
Yeah.
You can get it. Mayhaps.
Sushi, when are you gonna start streaming again, or have you?
I don't
Are we
know. I
doing
gotta
roulette?
see
Yeah, we can
what
relate.
my school schedule's like first, and when I get a job.
Teaching?
No,
Oh, yeah, no, gross. What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
I have not had a 9 to 5, and I don't remember the last time. It had to be 2012, maybe
Love that for you.
maybe 10, 11 years. I miss it. I do like working. Well, working like a job like that. Oh my god, it's Claros. Oh my god, it's Katie. Claros, Katie, Claros. How about a 9 and a 5? 9 and a 5? I mean, the 5 can watch. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I just that just registered in my head.
The 9 and the 5. Red. Deal? Who's the 5?
Why? Not me being neon again.
How is Jeremy getting Sage every single time?
Don't even.
Oh my
play.
god, y'all, don't even get mad at me. No, just kidding. Wait, Raze is good. Just throw your Bernards, grenades.
Oh, Bernard.
Throw Bernard everywhere you go. Red's the 5. He's got 9, but he's a 5.
My purpose is my gift. Be not afraid to accept it.
Be not afraid to accept my gift. I'm only giving heals out to people that answer math equations correctly.
Bro, I don't know math.
Hey.
I don't know math.
I'm gay. I don't know, man.
Me too. Are you a homosexual?
A what?
Are you a
A
homosexual?
homosexual.
Wait, did you see it when you did it with the Island Boys?
Yeah.
Oh my god. And they took it seriously. Like they don't get it. They're so stupid. What's up, boy? How are you? I'm just gonna run in like this, y'all, from the whole match.
I'm gonna be Zah. How are you?
Oh, just kidding. Oh, juicy. Meow for heals. Come